Hi, I'm Kerri Hollywood from CFB Kingston. Hopefully it's cold enough where you are to make this next craft. I want to teach you how to make ice ornaments. So let's get our creations into the freezer and let them sit for a few hours. So I actually decided to leave these things in the freezer overnight because I really wanted to make sure they were frozen. So now we just have to pour a little bit of warm water to the back and pop them out. Stay tuned. Here are the finished ice ornaments. So cool when they're finished, and you can put almost anything you can imagine inside. I hope you try to make this one. Remember to keep following us at PSP Kingston on social media.